Hello everyone, Tom here. Now, as you remember in my last video on the Combofix review, I was talking about how you could use it to remove a really bad malware infection, and this is a PC loaded with adware. Now, as you remember last time, after I did the scan, Explorer was crashing, but as you can see here, it's okay. Now, what I did do here is I got to the point where it was all crashing everything, what with the rebooting, and then it was, all affected then, so everything was all crashy. And I've done an update just before I ran the scan, to like sort of redo it and everything, and it's found some things that it did not detect before. And now I think, and these, by the way, these were, I found a solution right after doing that video, and these were detected by Malwarebytes. And I have a feeling like they must have seen that I was sort of pointing this out by, doing this video, and they've put it into their database because they actually had to update. I don't know really, but either way. So yeah, we've got all these things that it found and it deleted and everything. You'll find this in the in the C directory, by the way, so it's very easy to find the log. But the job is still not fully done, so I'm just going to show you what to do from here. If you right click and click Task Manager, we can see that we're lagging a bit, and that's because of this CXE wub.exe. I've seen it many times. Going to end the process. Click yes. It'll go through, and there we are. So now it's running quite normally. All I'm going to do really is now these two right here. I think right here, these two are the main Trojans that started it all off, and these were the downloaders to all of the other viruses that we have on here, I think. Now I'm not going to manually delete these. I'm just going to see if Malwarebytes can detect them. So I'm just going to do the normal procedure to make the scan take less time. I'll be doing a quick scan. Now, right here, by the way, Malwarebytes is nicely conveniently installed for me. You won't have that. You're going to have to go through the trouble of actually downloading it and running it. Same for Combofix. Oh, and also that's another virus. Anyway, I'm going to go to disk cleanup because I can't be bothered to download CC cleaner. And just click OK. Tick all of them off. And also, I thought I'd just put this in quickly. Combofix is 3.95 megabytes, by the way, just in case anyone out there wanted a exact measure. And I'm going to update, just as you want to do with any anti-malware program, because it's very useless if it doesn't have the signatures and whatnot. By the way, a very powerful way to get rid of viruses also is just to go into safe mode. First of all, what you want to do is in regular mode like this, is update the definitions, then boot into safe mode without networking, and run a full scan after emptying your system restore and cleaning up your temporary files. And if I were you, I'd actually do that every now and then, even if you don't have a infection. So That is actually a very powerful way to do it. If you don't have an infection, just run the quick scan. If you do have an infection, do the same and run a full scan. But I'm just going to pause the video whilst this scans, and I'll be right back. This video shouldn't be really long, really. Hi everyone, I'm back. The scan's finished and it's found 10 results. Now, I'm pretty sure that Malwarebytes actually found more than that. So, Combofix, I absolutely applaud you for, well, the people at Combofix anyway, I absolutely applaud you for, adding those definitions or whatever into your database. Show results, and, oh, good. Okay, so the 3 items on the desktop have been caught, and these 2 in C Windows have been caught. A .job file in scheduled tasks, 2 registry keys. Oh, forgot to mention the home page was hijacked as well, and we've got some really weird foreign site on here. Who knows what it is? If you go to Tools and Internet Options, you can't change the home page. It's just all grayed out, and that's obviously just not natural. So, and that's what that registry key is doing. And I believe that this is doing something to the internet zone, so I'll also just point that out. Internet options, and no? I don't know. Anyway, let's just stop talking, Tom, and just get on with it. Okay, so all of those check and remove selected. So I believe really that is just pretty much it, to be honest. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's fairly easy, really. After doing that, I think you should just be good to go. If you're good at using things like hijack this, you can just check the registry and stuff. To be honest, I've got a bit more time. Well, I've got as much time as I want, but I sort of now just don't want a big giant video file upload. Plus, with Camtasia Studio, it compresses the file a lot more. Sorry, but in this case, paid for software just wins. Definitely. Okay, so it's booting back up. I keep saying it, don't I? The PC is booting back up right now, and well, it is booted up anyway. I know what I'm doing. I just seem to never use the right term of phrase. So yeah, I checked my task manager, and everything looks alright. We've got all legitimate processors in there. CPU usage is not really high. Everything's normal. I can go to Control Panel, go to Internet Options, and I can just change my home page now to Google. Spell right. Hit apply. Okay. Okay, google.co.uk. That's nice. I'll just get hijack this, just in case if anyone might be, Just like screaming at the screen saying, you know, please check it. Ah dear. I wanted the installer version. That's better. It's probably one of my favourite tools, by the way, because just instantly gives that little scan, and then, you know, boom. Okay, that isn't originally there, so I don't think that one should be in. I just don't want MS messengers there. I just don't like it running itself, by the way. That's why I always remove it. And those are alright. I'm going to just say fix check there. And really, that's it. Let's just check the time again. Now, I have got a bit of time, so why not? I was going to do something. I was going to show you a piece of really good backup software for your registry and certain important system files. So I'm going to just load up the site for that, and I'm going to show you everything in this virtual machine. Okay, so I'll be right. Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you. Just going to quickly show you eWant, the emergency recovery utility. Now, what this does is it backs up your registry and certain important files like SAM and software, and it's really small. You can even have it automatically back up your registry at startup. So I'm going to, by the way, this is a registry optimizer. Now, as it says, when you, it includes the optimizer. Honestly, guys, do not optimize your registry. It really messes it up. Okay, so I'm going to, server 1, run it. I believe what the registry optimizer does is it defragments your registry, and it's just not good for it at all, I don't think. Now, what I do is I don't want to ever use this by mistake, so I'm just gonna create a eWant desktop icon. Now, it says right here, you can make it so that it backs up your registry every time you boot up. Now, I said no to this, so I don't really want a backup being done. I just want to back it up when I want to back it up. But for the purposes of this video, to show you how long it takes and how painless it is, I'm just going to say yeah. I'm going to launch eWant. Click OK here. Now, you may want to just leave it to the directory there, but to be honest, I like to do it somewhere nice and neat, like the desktop. I put mine in my documents folder, by the way. And click open. I'm gonna leave those as they are. Click OK, and click yes. See, it does all those, and that's it. If we go in here, it makes a very tiny program of eWant, and it's actually a restore program. And you just click OK, and it restores the registry, and that's it. Now, I'm going to prove to you that this works by doing something very stupid, so please do not do this. I'm going to go to run and reg edit, and I'm going to basically I'm going to be deleting some keys. Now you really do not want to do this, guys, okay? I am not responsible if you go ahead and do this. This is not recommended. I'm just showing you that this software works, okay? I'm going to delete security. Okay, delete it. I'm going to delete software. Now the software, the software actually is the thing that tells you how to. Oh, okay, that could not be done. The software, it allows the executable files, such as programs and that, to be recognized as a file, so you know it's real, and so that the file can actually be used. Otherwise, it would be useless. But let's see here, see if this can be deleted. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so I'm just more or less, I'm just more or less messing up the registry, to be honest. Those are like really important things that I'm deleting right now. I'm just trying to, you know, like really make sure that we've just done it to death. Console. Oh no. Control panel. Ah, dear. Environment. Software game. Okay, now then. Yeah, so, sorry about that. Congratulations, Tom, you've messed up the registry. Okay, so now, if I right click and hit properties, that doesn't even work, and also, we've not got anything like, you know, create a new folder and whatnot there either. If we go to our start menu, that cannot actually work anymore. We can't launch any programs. I can't even open the backup folders. I can't open up E1. Now see, what I've done is I've deleted some registry keys that must just have been keys that are required for programs to run. Now I'm not very experienced with the registry. I know certain things, but I know that I've just hit on certain things that are making it so that we can't do anything. So, oh god, see, all that has disappeared now. This is popping up instead of my computer. Well, actually, yep. So it can't get to my computer, so it's asking to go somewhere else. See, it's gone all random on me. See, even the background's gone. Ugh. Nope. This file does not have a program associated with it for performing this action. Create an association in the folder options panel. See, I can't do it. I cannot do anything now. It's just messed up. So now what we do is we reboot the computer. We have to go into safe mode. We only need safe mode. But remember, we created that backup, okay? That's why things like eRun are very useful software to have on your system. And it just also happens that Combofix uses eRun to back up your registry as well, so isn't that not good? So if you've ever run Combofix and you get some totally unrelated virus, some problems totally unrelated to a virus, you know, you could just restore your registry using that. So useful. Now, I don't know why, but in safe mode we can actually do stuff. But I'm going to go right into the backups folder, and I'm just going to run this little thing right here. Click OK. Leave all these to default. Click OK there. And right now the registry is being restored, so everything that I've deleted has just been restored. Reboot the computer now. Yes. I'm going to pause the video. Be right back. Okay, everyone, as you can see, we've got our background back to normal. Come on. Sorry, it's been a bit laggy. Yep, see, I can do arrange icons by. I've got paste shortcut, new, and I can do folder or whatnot. I can get to my security center. We don't get some sort of an error alert right there. See? I can go to start all programs, go about my business. I can run a program right there. Excuse me. Hi guys, I'm back. Sorry I got distracted for a second. Anyway, as you can see, the processes, there's nothing wrong really. It was just being a bit laggy. I think it might have been because of my screen recorder. So I think I'll just wrap up the video now. To be honest, I think I've covered everything. So thanks for watching this video. Please do watch some of my other videos. I know that some of my earlier ones weren't as good, but if you'd, I don't know, humour me, I guess. Have a good night, everyone, and I wish you all the best. Goodbye.